Take your lesson to a new level by combining IPEVO's Visualizer with Annotator. Using your document camera and Visualizer software during a science experiment and want to start a live stream on YouTube? Open the capture options inside of Annotator, and if you have a live broadcast set up, you can start a live stream. Then continue to use any of the tools included inside of Annotator. You can use the Shape tool to draw lines or circles to show something important, or click on the Shape tool again and select the Text tool. Now you can add customizable text. When you're done typing, you can move and adjust the text box size. All done while you continue to stream live footage inside of Visualizer. Or maybe you're teaching a math class and need a little help. Use special tools like the protractor to find the angle. And then write down your answer. Then take a snapshot using Annotator's screenshot function. Great for saving images to share later. IPEVO's free Visualizer and Annotator software. For more information, visit us at IPEVO.com.